Hello everybody, I hope you are very good. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build queries in ATLAS.ti using semantic operators. So let me open this project. Okay, before I start talking about semantic operators and how we can build queries using these operators, I would like to remind you that basically these type of operators are only applied to the codes that are a part of a semantic network, and the relationship between these codes should be transitive. I have one network in this project. Let me show you this network first. Okay, so this is my network, and basically this network shows the relationship between a few codes and also the quotations coded with these codes. So as you can see here, we have code L, that is a cause of code K. Code K is a cause of code I and code J. Both code I and code J are causes of code H, and code H is a cause of code G. So the relations between these codes are transitive, and you can also see the quotations as I mentioned. For example, focusing on code G, there are two quotations coded with this code, and with respect to code L, there is only one quotation that has been coded with code L. Now my focus in this example is code I. So I'm going to build three queries, including up I, down I, and sip I. And after I build these queries, we will basically verify the results based on this network. So let me minimize this window. All right, in order to build the query, I just click on analyze and then open query tool window. Okay, so again you could see here the four panels for the query tool: a panel for the code groups, a panel for the codes, a panel for building the query, and a panel to display the resulting quotations. So our example is building up I query. So what I need to do is to click on code I, drag and drop it in this term placeholder, and then I click on up. Now up I query has been built and the resulting quotations are listed here. Let me just change the view of this list and just make it a bit bigger. All right. So as you can see here, we have 7 quotations that are the result of this query. Quotation 14, 112, 22, 26, 322, 323, and 329. And I would like to show you these quotations in that particular network. So again, let me open the network. This is the network, and this is code I. Basically, up I will retrieve all the quotations coded with I, as well as the quotations coded with codes at an upper level comparing with I. So all the quotations coded with I, H, and J and G, will be the result of that particular query. All right, now let me show you those 7 quotations. This is one of them. This is the second one, the third one, the fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and the seventh one. So these 7 quotations are the result of up I query. Now let me minimize this. As the second example, I will show you the down I query. So to change this to down I, what I need to do is to click on the term, and then this time I select down, and now I have down I query, and basically this is the result. These are the quotations that satisfy this query. Basically I have 6 quotations that satisfy this query, so the number of these quotations is 6. Now let me show you these 6 quotations in that particular network. Again, I open the network. Okay, so down I will retrieve all the quotations coded with I as well as the quotations coded with the codes that are at the lower level comparing with I. So all the quotations coded with I, K and L will be the result of down I query. Now let me show you those quotations. This one, this one, this one, this one. So the 4 quotations coded with I, this quotation that is coded with K, and this quotation that is coded with L. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 quotations that satisfy down I query. Now let me minimize this again. Okay, as the last example, I would like to build semantic. So to build semantic, I just click on I again, and this time I select siblings. And now I have semantic, and these are the quotations that satisfy this query. Basically, we will have 9 quotations. So let me show you these 9 quotations in the network. Alright, so the result of semantic will be all the quotations coded with I as well as the quotations coded with other codes that are at the same level comparing with I. So basically the results of semantic will be quotations coded with I, and in this example the quotations coded with J. So let me count these quotations. For I we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 quotations, and for J we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 quotations, these 5 quotations. So 5 plus 4 will be 9. So these are the 9 quotations that satisfy semantic query. Again, I remind you that basically these operators can only be applied to these codes L, K, J, I, H and G. So I cannot create a, for example, up A query or up B query because these are not a part of a semantic network. So that's it. I just wanted to build 3 queries in this video demonstration using the 3 operators under semantic category, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.